When we first got here, there was no Wi-Fi. It was all satellite, so it was very hard to get anything. Fiber optic came in, and a Costco opened up 2 hours away, which is just like game-changing, especially for opening a hotel. Everyone's like, you guys are lucky. We have a lot of people, traveling nomads or whatever they call them, who like to come and work here, and we need strong Wi-Fi all the time. So amazing, Roberto is here. He's our Wi-Fi dude.
Roberto's amazing. His job isn't even doing Wi-Fi.
Like servers and things for large companies. He's a cool guy and he likes to just come out.
So we get to give him like a little bit of a vacation and complimentary food and beverage, and then he sort of works for us during the time that he's here. He's really a lifesaver. I mean, thank you, Roberto, for everything that you do here.
Just making sure you have cool internet when you come here. Do all your meets and Zooms, banking, all the things you shouldn't be doing when you're here. Should be in the ocean swimming, no Wi-Fi.
We're testing out Starlink because it's new and it just came to Panama, so why not? So we just activated this with Roberto. Today, we're boosting it up to our staff house up here. So this is where all of our staff live, the chef, our managers, and our workaways are coming to volunteer. Last night, we all put on movies to test it, and it worked, which is amazing.
We're only 80 kilometers in between two of the largest oceans in the world. Swim in the Atlantic at 8 in the morning, take a 3-hour drive, and surf in the Pacific. Where else can you do that? Tell me a story.